Dear Lady Love TV,
Sisters Rivals in Love, tunghayan natin ang ikawalong bahagi. Pabalabag na isinara ni Ashton ang pinto ng pad nang makauwi sila. Kaagad ito nagpunta sa kitchen. Binuksan ang ref at uminom ng tubig. Sumunod si Sunshine. I'm sorry, Ashton. Ngunit hindi kumibo ang binata. Nanatiling nakatalikod sa kanyang direksyon. I'm sorry kung dahil sa akin kaya na-cancel yung gig nyo. I know magiging malaki ang epekto nito sa image nyo. Ashton, kausapin mo naman ako. But to no avail. Ashton, aniya. Medyo tumaas na ang tinig. Hanggang kailan mo ba paninindigan yung topak mong yan? Mag-usap nga tayo ng maayos. Yes, it's your fault, Sunshine. Sa wakas ay hinarap siya nito. Kasalanan mo talaga ang lahat. Sandali siyang natigilan sa paninisi ni Ashton, ngunit muli ding nakabawi. Kaya nga nagsusori ako, diba? Hindi ko naman ginusto na mabastos ako eh. Dapat talaga, hindi na ako pumayag na pitarihan ka pa dito. It resulted in a disaster. Di ahalis na ko ngayon. Puno ng hinanakit ang kanyang tinig. Sobra naman si Ashton. Hindi naman niya ginustong mangyari ang nangyari kanina. Hindi naman niya ginustong siya ang maging dahilan para makancel yung performance ng banda. Naramdaman niya ang panggigilid ng mga luha. Dadaan na lang ako sa office ni Faye mamaya para makapag-sorry uli ng formal. Sorry kung naging makulit ako at literal na pinilit kang patirahin ako dito. Aalis na ako, Ashton. Salamat sa pagtulong sa akin kanina. Salamat sa pagtsatsaga sa akin. Bago pa pumatak ang luha, ay tumalikod na si Sunshine. Kahit mabigat sa loob ay kailangan niyang panindigan ang sinabi na aalis siya sa bahay na yon ora mismo. Total, wala namang pakialam sa kanya si Ashton na to. Nagigigil siya sa inis. Wait, Sunshine. Nagulat siya sa biglang pagpigil ni Ashton sa pagmamagitan ng paghawak sa kanyang braso. I didn't mean that. I didn't mean what I said. Don't go. Lumingon siya. Pero sa akin mo sinisisi ang nangyari. You even regretting your decision about me living with you. Hindi ka joker na tao. Alam nating pareho yon. You meant everything you say. Kaya nga paano ko maniniwala na hindi yun ang intensyon mo nang sabihin mo sa akin ang masasakit na bagay na yon, ha? Hindi na ako bata. Kailangan mo pa ba akong utuin? Alam ko naman na nasasabi mo lang yan dahil natatakot ka na may mangyari sa akin kapag umalis ako ngayon ng 10 oras ng gabi. Kargo mo nga naman ako eh. But don't worry, hindi kita sisisihin kapag may nangyari sa akin, katulad ng paninisi mo sa akin ngayon. Listen to me, okay? Putol nito sa kanyang sinasabi. I may have said it in the wrong way, Sunshine. Hindi kita sinisisi sa nangyari ngayong gabi. I don't care about our damn performance. If I did, sa tingin mo bababa ako ng stage para lang lapitan ka at bugbugin ang nambasto sa'yo? Bakit ang sabi mo kanina? Ibang kasalanan na sinisisi ko sa'yo, Sunshine. Seryoso ang ekspresyon ng mukha nito. Binitawan siya nito at napabuntong hininga. What do you mean? Anong kasalanan ko, Ashton? Naguguluhang tanong niya. He looked confused at first but he managed to talk. It feels like I haven't been myself this past few days. At iyon na isinisisi ko sa'yo. Paano mo nagawang guluhin yung isip ko ng ganito? Paano mo nagawang suluhin yung atensyon ko sa buong maghapon kahit wala ka naman sa tabi ko? Paano mo nagawang baligtarin yung paniniwala ko? Paano mo nagawa yun, Sunshine? Paano mo nagawa ang bagay na yun sa akin? What do you mean? Bigla siyang kinabahan. Hindi niya nakakaringgan si Ashton ng ganon. Napapansin ko rin na parang may kakaiba sa'yo nitong mga nakaraang araw. Oo, tahimik na tao ka pero pagdating sa akin, nagagawa mong ipakita kung sino ka talaga. Pero nitong mga nakaraang araw, nahihirapan akong kilalanin kung sino ba ang Ashton na kasama ko rito sa bahay. You seem preoccupied at all times. At napapansin ko rin na palagi mo akong iniiwasan. Bakit nga ba ha, Ashton? At bakit? Ano yung kasalanan ko? It's because... Fact, nahilamos niya ang mukha. Why do you do this to me, ha, Sunshine? Yun nga ang malabo eh. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung ginagawa ko sa'yo. Sandaling tumahimik si Ashton at pinakatitigan siya. Napalunok ito. Remember the other day when I almost kissed you? It was meant to be a joke. I don't know. I just woke up that day with a smile. I can't remember a day in my life when something like that happened to me. It was the first time. I was in the mood to tease you. I thought to myself that, what the heck? It's only you. I can handle someone like you. I can kiss you without any feelings involved whatsoever. Gusto ko lang makita ang reaction mo. Then it happened. My own prank backfired on me. When I was about to kiss you, and you closed your eyes, something tugged at me here. He pointed to his chest. I don't know what happened. I just found myself staring at your face while thinking, you are a grown woman. How could I fail to notice how beautiful you are? I just kept staring at you. My playful mood vanished. Bigla akong kinabahan. Ang lakas ng pintig ng puso ko, Sunshine. What the heck, right? I've never been that nervous in my life. Hahalikan lang naman kita. Ano yung dapat kong ikakaba? But reason failed me. I couldn't think straight while staring at your face anymore. I started to see you in a different light. I know we grew up like siblings, but I've realized I'm still a man after all. Ashton, after that, I blame myself for thinking such thoughts towards you. How could I, right? Ikaw si Sunshine, yung batang sinasamahan kong matulog sa gabi. Ikaw si Sunshine, yung makulit, madaldal at nakakairitang babae. When did you grow up and become a full-fledged woman? What was I thinking when I agreed that you live with me? Hindi na naaalis sa isip ko yung mga bagay na yon. Namalayan ko na lang, ikaw na yung palaging nasa isip ko. And I've got something to confess. Hindi makapaniwala si Sunshine na makitang namula ang mukha ni Ashton. Totoo nga yata ang himala. That night, I went to my room and found you sleeping. Believe me, I did nothing strange. I just had the urge to look at you. Hindi ko alam kung bakit, but these past several days, I love looking at your face. Kaya nakita ko agad nang bastusin ka ng gagong yun kanina. Kung hindi lang ako napigilan ni Narigo, I might have killed him. You're in love with me, Ashton, she said, interrupting him. What? No, umiling si Sunshine. You said you're always thinking of me, right? Tumango ang binata. And it started because of that fact that we almost kissed. Ikaw na ang nagsabi, hindi ako mawawala-wala sa isip mo after that. And you started to see me in a different light. Ashton, face it. You're in love with me. Gusto niyang ngumiti pero pinigilan niya ang sarili. Seryoso muna siya kunwari. Mamaya na lamang siya totodong kiligin. No, I'm not. I know I love your sister. No, you're just in love with the idea that you're still in love with my sister. Umiling pa siya. Buksan mo na ng tuluyan yung mata mo. Ako itong nasa harapan mo ngayon. Ako na yung nasa tabi mo. Bakit kailangan mo pang isipin ang ibang babae na wala naman dito? Ako ang narito, Ashton. But, then kiss me now. Hamon ni Sunshine. Why would I? Para maging maliwanag sa'yo yung nararamdaman mo. Sunshine, then do it. Don't tempt me like that. I may actually do it and... Then do it. What's holding you back? I don't mind giving you all of me, Ashton. Dapat noon mo pa alam ang bagay na yon. Natahimik ito ngunit nanatiling nakatingin sa kanya. His eyes lingered on her lips. Sunshine, is it really okay? She didn't answer. Umatras siya. Umabante ang binata palapit sa kanya. Lumapat ang kanyang likod sa pader ng kitchen. Slowly, he reached for her. His face moved closer to hers. Ilang pulgada na lang ang layo ng mga mukha nila sa isa't isa. She was shivering. Sunshine, he said her name before his lips touched hers. At first, it was just a light kiss. Kaagad ding lumayo ang mga labi ni Ashton sa kanya. She eyed him. He kissed her again. Just like the first time, it was also a light kiss on the lips. She was becoming impatient. But before she could voice out her irritation, Ashton kissed her deeply this time. At first, he was just teasing her lips, but then his tongue went inside her mouth. They were not touching each other, only their lips were entwined. Pero pakiramdam ni Sunshine ay gumagapang sa buo niyang katawan ng kamay nito. Gumagapang kasi ang init na dulot ng halik nito sa kanyang sistema. The kiss went on and on. How was it? Tanong ni Sunshine nang maghiwalay sila. Habol pareho ang hininga. All I can think of it is, I can't get enough of you, Sunshine. This time, he pinned her against the wall. He raised her hands on top of her head. Her body was pinned underneath his. She could feel his heat. Ashton kissed him like a hungry man. The kiss went wilder. Their tongues were entwined with each other. It was tasting her and she was tasting him. Ibang-iba ang halik na yun sa aksidenteng halik na ibinigay ni Ashton sa kanya noon. It paled in comparison to what they were having at that moment. It was a kiss only lovers shared. It was a kind of kiss that would make anyone forget everything else in the world. And it was the kind of kiss she was having with Ashton. Then, you can have more of me, Ashton. Bulong niya nang muling maglayo ang kanilang mga labi para kumuha ng hangin. Huh? You said you can get enough of me. Then you can have more. No, you can have all of me, Ashton. She gave him a very seductive smile. Kahit siya ay nagulat sa inakto niyang yon. Akala ba niya ay wholesome siya? Sunshine, let's not cross that line. It's too soon. I've been waiting for this moment since forever. What? What you don't want to? She was silent by Ashton's lips. Naramdaman na lamang niyang binuhat siya nito habang magkalapat pa rin ang kanilang mga labi. They went into his room. There, he lay her down the bed while they were still kissing. She grabbed the hem of his shirt. Bago pa makareact si Ashton ay hinubad na niya ito. You naughty girl, he said while grinning. Then it was his turn to take her blouse off. He kissed her neck, her chest. Then he unclasped her bra and stared admiringly at her proud pics. You're beautiful, Sunshine, he whispered before taking her left nipple with his mouth. Sunshine moaned with his lips teased the pic. It was an overwhelming feeling. She had never experienced such a marvelous feeling before. Ashton kept licking her left nipple while lightly pinching the other one. It was insane. The feeling was so ecstasy. Ngunit wala pala iyon sa nakatakda niyang nararamdaman sa mga sumunod na sandali. Ashton tasted every part of her. His tongue expertly licked and teased her body. When he unbuttoned her shorts and pulled him down, he used his index finger to lightly touch her down there. At first, the finger was only teasing her, but a light touch, enough to make her shiver. Then slowly, he inserted his finger inside. She was still wearing her panties. She muttered a serious shit under her breath. He was making her feel insane. Ngunit hindi pa pala doon natatapos yun. Using his teeth, he ripped the tiny lingerie away from her. It was so primitive and wild, yet sexy and hot at the same time. His tongue replaced his fingers that was invading her insides. He tasted her. He kissed her down there. Oh, Ashton, you're unfair. Let me see you too, she pleaded. Sumunod naman ang binata. Sandali itong humiwalay sa kanya para maghubad. Titig na titig si Sunshine kay Ashton habang ginagawa nito iyon. Nang boxers na lang yung natira, napalunok siya. He was sexy as hell. Kaya naman hindi niya napigilan ang sarili. Tumayo siya, nilapitan ito, niyakap at hinalikan sa mga labi. She could feel his hardness poking against her stomach. Dapat ay mag-blush siya sa pagkakataong yun, but all she could feel was passion. She was making love to the man she had been dreaming to, have ever since she was a child. She loved Ashton and she was willing to do everything to show him that love. And that included her prowess in bed. She was a virgin, but not that innocent. She could tell what Ashton needed. I'll make you happy, Ashton. Kaya huwag ka nang tumingin pa sa iba. I'll give you everything that you need. I'm yours. Heart, mind, body, and soul. Sunshine. Hunger was written in Ashton's eyes. Inhiga siya nito sa kama, on the edge of the bed. To be precise, he took off his boxer shorts, kissed her on the lips, and then she felt them become one. It hurt, but just a little. Hindi niya masyadong ininda dahil na rin sa passionate na halik ni Ashton. He started moving. When she became accustomed to it, he did something wilder. He went deep inside her, only to pull it out in the next minute, the tip of his manhood barely touching her. Then, he would plunge deeper and pull out again. He repeated it for a number of times until she went crazy with desire. She could feel she was ready to explode, and so was Ashton. They would reach the zenith together. They would arrive at the place they both sought together. And when it finally happened, she felt at peace. She closed her eyes and let sleep take over. Unti-unting idinilat ni Sunshine ang mga mata. Mataas na ang sikat ng araw at nasisinaga na ng kanyang mukha mula sa bintana ng kwarto. Kaagad niyang binalingan ng katabi. Napangiti siya na makita ang tulog na binata. Hindi nga siya nananaginip lang. Totoong nasa tabi niya ito. Namumula siya nang maalala ang nangyari sa pagitan nila kagabi o kaninang madaling araw. Kung kanina ay hindi man lamang siya nakaramdam ng hiya sa mga pinagagawa at pinagsasabi niya rito, ngayon ay binaligan siya ng kahihiyan. She buried her face on the pillow. Grabe, nagawa niyang hamunin si Ashton ng halikan at nauwi ang insidenteng yun sa mas malalim na bagay. She recalled the feeling when he was inside her. Lalo nag-init sa hiya ang mukha ni Sunshine. Diyos ko Lord, she made love with Ashton and it was not just an ordinary lovemaking. It was hot, passionate and wild love they shared. Lalo siyang nahiya sa naisip. Bakit gano'n ang tao no? Gagawa muna ng isang bagay pagkatapos. Doon palang nakakaramdam ng kahihiyan. Pero hindi naman niya pinagsisisihan ang nangyari. Si Ashton din naman kasi. Aminin ba namang unti-unti na itong nahuhulog sa kanya? Well, not directly pero ganun pa rin ang ibig sabihin nito. Palagi raw siyang naiisip nito. Di pak, pag-ibig na ngayon. Sure na siya. 100%. Nahihiya lang umamin kasi nga hindi nito mapaniwala ng damdamin. Pero simula sa araw na yon, hawak niya ang puso nito at wala nang makakaagaw sa kanya ngayon. She would make sure of that. Nasa ganoong isipin si Sunshine na mag-vibrate ang cellphone niya na nasa bedside table. She panicked when she saw her sister's name on the screen. Kaagad niyang pinatay ang aparato. Wala siyang dahilan para kausapin ang kapatid. Lumayas nga siya sa kanila para hindi ito makita, hindi ba? So bakit niya ito kakausapin? Bad trip. Masaya na siya. Bakit kailangan pansirain ang mood niya? But her mood changed again when she felt a hand lightly touching her back. Napaiktad siya at napahagikik. Malakas ang kiliti niya roon. Hinarap niya ang mapangahas. Gising na si Ashton. Good morning, Sunshine. She gave him her sweetest smile. Hindi naman ito nakasagot. Nakatingin lang sa kanya. She was a hint of guilt in his eyes. That won't do, sugar. Do you regret making love to me, Ashton? She asked. No, I don't. But she read herself for the part. But I can't believe that I did something like that with you. Your sister will kill me, I'm sure of that. She touched his cheek. I told you not to think of anyone else but me. What we shared last night was something wonderful. Don't ever feel guilty about making love to me, or I'll get mad at you. Hindi na ako bata. Hindi na ako yung bata na nasa isip mo. I know, walang batang gaganti ng halik sa akin ng ganito. He kissed her on the lips. She responded with all her heart. They kissed for the next 20 minutes. Do you know what the secret to happiness is? Ni Sunshine nang maglayo ang kanilang mga labi. No, you'll find out of it if you stick with me forever. Hinindatan niya ang binata. He smiled. It was the kind of smile that reached his eyes. It was the truest smile she made and she had seen from him over. She could remember. You're one clever woman. She touched his lips. This is the kind of smile that I've always wanted to greet me every morning for the rest of my life. I love you. Can I say that now? Oh wait, I've said it already. And yes, I love you for the longest time. And I love you without end. He kissed her on the forehead. She embraced him. Again, she fell asleep. But this time, wrapped in Ashton's warm embrace. And that was the kind of life she always dreamed of.